Hello, I'm Damian Lang. I'm the CEO of EZG Manufacturing here in Malta, Ohio. EZG Manufacturing builds masonry equipment, regular construction equipment, custom fabrication, cleaning equipment, refractory equipment, and fencing equipment. I started EZG Manufacturing due to the problems we were having when I was working in the field. We had equipment we were using that was prone to failure. It wasn't built properly, it was built cheap, and it didn't do what we needed it to do. So I set out, when I started my construction business companies, to build better equipment to make the job sites more efficient. And as it turned out, we struck on some things that really worked good. We wanted to build something that the contractors would love. And we wanted to stick with this 100% customer satisfaction. We have a guarantee that we're going to put the best we have to give into that product. And if it's not totally to your satisfaction, we take it back and we'll give you your money back 100% of the time. I've always said that anyone can sell a customer a piece of equipment, but when you sell them the second one or the third one, or in our case, 50 pieces of equipment, you've got a long-term customer, because they don't buy the number 50 if they didn't like the first 49. And they don't make the same mistake 50 times in a row. Our products are different because they're built from people in the field. These people know what they want, and we listen to the employees. We listen to our customers. And I think what most contractors and buyers miss is that only 30% of the cost of a piece of equipment is incurred the day you buy it. 70% is incurred during the use and the life of that product. If you have mechanics working on your equipment, if you have breakdowns, job site holdups, that all goes into the value of that equipment. Well, we wanted to build equipment that was long-lasting. I can make customers happy today, the day they purchase or invest in our equipment, or I can make them happy the rest of their lives while they're using our equipment. We want to make them happy the rest of their lives. Quality is everything in EZG Manufacturing. When we built our mortar mixer, during the design process, the engineers called me and said, "How thick do you want to build that drum?" And I told them, grab the biggest guy up there and give him a sledgehammer. Have him beat on it. And when he gets to the point he can't put a ding in it, that's the size we want it. So they called me back and said, "You know what? That's 3/8 steel." I said, "That's the size we're using." So when you buy our industrial mixers, that's what you're going to get. Nothing but the top of the line quality. I see a lot of new inventions and new products coming out, but I don't see much change in our philosophy. Because our philosophy is listening to the people, listening to the contractors, and building it the best it can be. Myself, my experiences when we buy equipment is that manufacturers will often sell you something that's a really good piece of equipment. Then a couple of years later, you buy another one and they've already changed something to save them money when they're building it. And we're not going to do that. We're going to stick to the best equipment can be built at the fairest price to the customer. Well, thank you for watching today. If there's anything at all we can help you with, or any problems you need solved, please give us a call.